Good medical morning. Today we're going to look at 3 of our most favorite dermatology videos. They include ear blackheads, a big amateur nose pimple, and 2016's Pimple Pop of the Year. Stick around until the end as I tell you more about this big blackhead image. Here we go.
Hold on, let's get a close up on it first before you do it. Let's get a before and after. Alright, so that's a holy crap.
Oh my god.
Dude, there's I can see it. It's like yellow right there.
Oh, I can feel it. I can feel it.
Oh, see? You have to get it over with now. Do you want that pimple? You gotta get it over with now. Do it. Oh! Oh my god, wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off, wipe it off. Wipe it off right now. Oh my god. That's so, oh my god.
Oh my gosh, Miguel.
Dude, I told you. Is that the pimple residue from last time?
No. I cleaned that. What is that though? I think that's from these little ones. Oh my gosh.
I'm not feeling so good.
Oh, that is just
Straight up.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is worse than the first one. Tony, there's blood all on the wall.
On the wall?
On the mirror.
Oh! What the fuck?
Oh my! I'm telling Nico right now.
Oh! You're disgusting.
Oh.
Tell me when it hurts, okay?
Nothing? Oh, wow! What the hell is that?
Does that hurt?
No.
Is it pus?
Yeah, it's like pus and like a big.
Like a hard
Blackhead.
one, like pus mixed with gum. Andre, give a nice good one. Got tweezers?
I do, but it's upstairs. Oh my god. Does that hurt? No?
Is that everything?
Wow, hold on. Did that hurt?
No.
No?
I think it's out, Jerry.
Is it?
I think it's gonna be the tail, maybe.
Yeah.
Hey there, Pimple Popper fans. If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below. And back to our image from earlier. The giant blackhead you see there is supposed to be a dilated pore of Weiner, which is a large, impacted blackhead. But it is a Photoshop. Nice.